Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices share the same Apple ID. This is essential for syncing. On your iPhone, turn on iCloud Photos in Settings so uploads begin. On a Mac, enable Photos in Apple ID iCloud settings. On a Windows laptop, install and sign into iCloud for Windows. Once done, the devices will register with Apple's servers and begin preparing your library for download. This step creates the link that lets your laptop access and download photos. Now configure how photos arrive on your laptop. On a Mac, open Photos, go to Settings, iCloud and choose Download Originals to store full files locally. On Windows, open iCloud for Windows, enable Photos, click Options and turn on iCloud Photos. Then use the Download button in File Explorer's iCloud Photos folder. Make sure you select full downloads only if you have sufficient disk space. Otherwise, optimized versions save space, but may require redownloads when you open a photo. Finish by letting the sync complete. You can monitor progress in the Photos app on Mac or the iCloud for Windows status area. If some photos don't appear, sign out and back into iCloud, check your iCloud storage quota, and confirm a stable Wi-Fi connection. These fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, update your operating system, reinstall the iCloud client, or contact Apple support. One key troubleshooting tip: verify you're using the exact same Apple ID on every device before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.